Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel English Grammar by Pasha. As you know that in my lectures I discuss different topics that are related to your English. So today we will discuss the famous poem of Shelley, Ozymandias. So let's get started. The question number 1 that is given in your English book of first year or 11th class. What is the theme of the poem Ozymandias? The theme of the poem rests on the fact that everything comes to an end, nothing is immortal in this world. It gives a reminder to the affluent, powerful people of the society that their power, achievement, fame, and fortune have no real worth as they are temporary. So basically, this is the whole theme of the poem Ozymandias. Then the second question is describe in your own words the anatomical conditions of the statue of King Ozymandias as portrayed by Shelley. The statue of Ozymandias was quite huge in size as it was reflected in the lines, and there was no specific shape of the statue of the Ozymandias. It was shattered and its parts were sunken in the desert sand. Question number 3 is what is the tune of the poem Ozymandias? The tune of the poem has ironic solemnity. The sharp contrast between the boasting of the king through the inscribed lines on pedestal and the shattered condition of the statue in the remote desert represents situational irony. The king vanished with all his grandeur, but what left behind is just his broken statue. Question number 4. Throughout the poem Ozymandias, Shelley uses alliteration. Give some examples and show what purpose do they serve. You know, alliteration is the repetition sound of the consonant words that comes in the start of a word. For example, stand, sand, cool, command, boundless and bare, sands and stretch. So the sound of S is repeated, in the second sound of C is repeated, and in the third B sound is repeated, and in S sound is repeated. So this is called alliteration, and it is given in this poem. Then question number 5, describe the rhyming scheme of the poem. This is the rhyming scheme that is given to you. And then imagery of sight is impressively used by the book that helps the readers to imagine the whole picture of the statue. For instance, two vast and trunkless legs of stone stand in the desert. Like this, the poet has described very beautifully the imagery of the poem, and he presents the whole image of a broken statue of a king of the king in front of the readers. Question number 7. The inscribed lines on pedestal of the statue are the clear representation of pride, arrogance, and grandeur of the mighty king. These lines have ironic overtone. Furthermore, the words that appear on the pedestal of the statue also speak of the egotism of the cruel king and imply how bold, proud, and commanding he is. But in reality, the shattered statue tells the opposite story as the king is dead and nothing worthwhile is left behind except the broken statue. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope this will helpful for you to solve your exercise and answer these questions. If you have any kind of queries regarding this lesson, you can ask from me, you can comment me in my comment box. Please like it, subscribe my channel to get new lessons or topics. So I hope that you will like it. Allah Hafiz.